The Italian car manufacturer Pagani produces the high-performance, mid-engine sports car known as the 2024 Pagani Huayra. The 2024 Pagani Huayra, which was given Huayra Tata's moniker, is the Pagani's Onda's replacement. A lightweight and very strong carbon titanium monocoque chassis is a feature of the Huayra. The Mercedes-AMG V12 engine in the 2024 Pagani Huayra generates over 700 horsepower and can accelerate the vehicle from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds. The Pagani Huayra 2024 stands out most for its aerodynamic design, which includes active aerodynamic components like flaps that can be adjusted to increase downforce and decrease drag. The vehicle also has an innovative active suspension system that can modify the ride height and damping in real time according to road conditions. Each Huayra is individually hand-built at the Pagani factory in Modena, Italy, in a production run of just 100 vehicles. Huayra has become one of the most exclusive and sought-after supercars in the world thanks to the high level of craftsmanship and attention to detail that goes into each vehicle. The cabin of the 2024 Huayra is lined with high-quality materials including leather, aluminum, and carbon fiber. The seats can be painted to match the external color scheme of the automobile and are covered in luxurious leather. With a touchscreen panel in the center that handles the many aspects of the automobile, the dashboard has a combination of analog and digital displays. The exposed carbon fiber panels that can be seen throughout the Huayra's interior are its most remarkable feature. In addition to being useful, these panels also improve the appearance of the car as a whole. The luxurious audio system, the finely crafted air conditioning vents, and the aluminum shift paddles behind the wheel are all features of the Huayra's cabin. The Mercedes-AMG M158 6.0-liter V12 twin-turbocharged engine that powers the Pagani Huayra was created especially for Pagani and is used in only that vehicle. A 7-speed automated manual transmission, also created and manufactured by Pagani, is coupled to the Huayra's engine. The vehicle's highest speed is estimated to be 238 miles per hour, and 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration takes about 3 seconds. The Pagani Huayra is regarded as one of the most prestigious and costly supercars in the world due to its exceptional performance and distinctive styling. A 7-speed automated manual gearbox by X-Track, which offers blazingly quick gear changes, is coupled to the engine. Active flaps and a movable rear wing are two examples of the innovative aerodynamics found on the Huayra, which enhance downforce and reduce drag. The lightweight carbon fiber and titanium chassis that supports the 2024 Huayra's construction offers excellent rigidity and strength. The vehicle also has a cutting-edge suspension design that can be altered to offer a comfortable ride or a more aggressive, track-oriented setup. Brembo created cutting-edge carbon ceramic brakes for the Pagani Huayra that have extraordinary stopping power and are made to endure high temperatures. The Pagani Huayra is expected to offer its occupants a high level of protection in the case of an accident, even though it may not have as many safety measures as a regular road car because it was developed and designed with an emphasis on performance and engineering excellence. The carbon titanium monocoque chassis of the Huayra is made to be both exceptionally robust and light. In the case of a collision, the chassis offers the driver and passengers significant protection. Additionally, the 2024 Pagani Huayra is equipped with airbags, stability control, and a high-performance braking system.